Hello friends, welcome to Esxi channel. Today I am going to show you something special. You have seen that I have only one Esxi host and how I can create multiple Esxi hosts to do the testing of vMotion between the two Esxi hosts or 3 or 4 nodes of Esxi host. I will create one Esxi host as a virtual machine inside the virtual Esxi host. So I have selected Esxi host other and I have selected the VMware virtualized Esxi host and I have selected the storage, same storage what I have, single storage now. And next thing I have selected 4 core 32 GB RAM, at least one Esxi host. I want to create 2 machines to assign, or one machine here, one machine. So I should have 32 GB RAM on that and 500 GB space. So I can give 150 for one machine, 150 for other machine. So I will be using storage from this. Okay? So next, this is the one Esxi host with this information which is available. Same network card I am not going to use. I do not have a 10 gigabit. Finish. Now it is deploying my Esxi host inside my Esxi host. So same way I will deploy 2, 3, 4 Esxi host and I will deploy virtual machine inside that Esxi host. So now the deployment means I have created Esxi host. Now I have to power on and assign. I will go to setting of this machine and boot from the cancel. Sorry. I select from here and edit setting. Main thing, as you know that I want to connect, what I will connect, from where I will boot, data store ISO and ISO folder, VMware, and selected it here and saved. Oh, I forgot to connect it. Sorry for delay. Because on that screen it is not fast. Edit setting and yeah, it is connected. Okay, sorry. So what I will do now, I will power it on and I will take the VMware console of this one. Console, launch VMware. So virtual machine is created. I am deploying Esxi host inside the Esxi host. As soon as I power on, I have to click here and that's all. Wait, let me see. And I power, say controller delete. It will boot with the image. Something has gone wrong. Wait a moment. See, now the deployment has already started. You can see that I have already started the thing. The disk was not attached. Now Esxi host is deploying inside the Esxi host. I will assign the IP address in the range of some 200 to identify 201, 2023, 202. So this is my second Esxi host inside the Esxi host. Till now I have not shown you network switches, kernel switches, distributed switches, vCenter. All these are still going to come in the next future. But something special you will understand and you will learn from here after deploying this. this almost finish. I will not interrupt the video to give you the genuine thing. I don't want to make multiple copies and editing. People want to see, watch, they will get something, good ideas, good things. Here usually takes time. In my view, it may take 3-4 minutes. But as I told you, I am not going to stop my video. But here it will take time, so better to have a pause here. Okay, I am resuming the same one as before, trying to hit the enter key and F11 key to accept. Oh, function 11 key to accept. That is normal installation of Esxi host. I have resumed. Now this is the one where I will do that, and I will use the same disk to enter to continue. Here I will use root password. Root password also matched, enter to continue, and 11 to install. Okay, this is what the installation is started. It is inside the same data store. It will go very fast. As you can see, it has already finished 22%. Have you ever seen this? I think nobody might have shown you this, that you are doing an ESX host inside the ESX host, and you can build a cluster of ESXi hosts. And see, keep watching my channel. You will get more tricks and more exposure to the IT technology. So further is that only that the ESXi host will be running, and it will have its own IP. I will connect with another IP address, means I will put 191.192. Okay, now the installation has already been proceeded. I have left it. Now it says that before booting, remove the disk. So I will go here and remove the disk. Disconnect. It has already timed out because it was a long time. I left it. Anyway, that ESX host is already deployed, and now you can see that it has already been done. And here was my screen, and I have already removed that. That's all. Enter to reboot. I enter to reboot. Now after reboot, it will show you what IP it has taken. So there is 192.168.0.189, and inside that, this is the another one ESX host, and I will set it IP to 191. When it will come, I will set to 191. See how fast it is running and rushing like anything. By the way, for next I'm going to give you sessions on SSL, what is crypto, how the things are happening, and what are the things hacker is looking. Ransomware will be the best one from my side. Swap job. Sorry for delay. We have to see that. VM tool started. Lemon. Now I will open what IP I will get. Based on that, I will open another browser. Khalas. I got here 192.168.0.236. So I will go here and open another browser. Control Alt. So I am out from that run. I will open my browser here and https://192.168.0.203, right? Sorry for that. It has shown me 236. So 236. So now you see here, where are you now? On another ESX host. I am already having now this root. My fresh ESX host. Inside my ESX host. So this is my local machine where I have deployed my one Windows 11's machine and PC2 machine, and this is my ESX host. You can see here, if I go to virtual machine, and this will show me summary of 4 and this. Now very simple, I have to go and change the IP address as I said. So I will not take your much more time. How to set the IP address of the ESX host, I already explained you. So I will go and create 2 more ESX hosts in the same one, and later on, or at least one more to have a cluster. Later on we will see. Thank you for watching Esxi channel. Welcome. Share and subscribe.